Hi guys, look what I've got. This is zucchini. For people that they know, I bought this at the church Romad sale. This is huge zucchini. Pumpkin. It's not quite ripe yet. I will make pumpkin pie for this, or you can make pumpkin soup. Squash. This is buttercup squash. I got 2. Chop this and put it in a freezer for winter. Almost drop it. And I bought tomatoes too. I'd like to can spaghetti sauce, a homemade spaghetti sauce. And my tomatoes there is not enough to make spaghetti sauce. So I decided to buy, and this is only $2 for one bag, for one box, small box of tomatoes. One more I'll show you guys. I bought this beets, and it's only $3. Let's see. Thanks for watching.